Hello students, good morning to all. I am Rahul Sharma from LPM Middle School, Gola Gorakhpur. Today I am going to take lecture of 10th class. As you know, our chapter Human Eye and Colorful World is going on. So today I am going to take lecture on the topic presbyopia. As you know, the topic myopia and hypermetropia I have discussed in my previous class. So today I am going to discuss about presbyopia defect. This defect is also known as old sight because this defect arises due to advancing age. Okay, so when the age with advancing age, there is a gradual weakness of scleral muscles and diminishing flexibility of the eye lens, so that the power of accommodation of the eye decreases. It means the near point move away. The near point move away from the eye. Thus, the person cannot see nearby object comfortably or clearly and distinctly without corrective eyeglasses. With corrective eyeglasses. Okay, so this defect is called presbyopia. But sometimes a person may suffer from both myopia as well as hypermetropia. Two pair of spectacles are required for such a person. One pair convex, one pair convex for reading and another pair concave. Another pair concave for walking distance vision. Okay, so both purpose may however be served by a pair of bifocal length. It means bifocal length. A lens of bifocal length is used to correct this defect. The top pair being used to see distance object and the lower pair for reading. It means this is the glass of lens, then the upper pair, this upper portion. In this upper portion we have to use the concave lens. Why concave lens? Because by using this concave lens we have to see distance object. Okay, the top part being used for seeing distance object, because in myopia defect we can see nearby object clearly but there is problem to see far off object. So to remove this defect there is a need of concave lens, and the lower portion there is convex lens, because in hypermetropia defect we can see distance object clearly but unable to see nearby object properly. So that's why in lower portion there is convex lens to read book, because as you know when we have to read book, then we have to take book close to the eye, about 25. So there is a need of bifocal lens to remove presbyopia defect. Upper portion consists concave lens to see far off object, and lower portion consists convex lens to see nearby object. Okay, so this is the presbyopia defect. So now the defect of vision completed. I have discussed all three defects: myopia, hypermetropia and presbyopia. So now I will discuss the another topic of this chapter. So before discuss the other topic of this chapter, I am going to take a numerical based on the defect of vision. After that, I will discuss about the another topic of this chapter. Okay. So let a numerical. Okay. We can see a numerical given in board. A short-sighted person can read distinctly a book when placed at a distance of 20 centimeter. What is the nature and power of lens used in his spectacles to read at 25 centimeter? It means the near point for eye is 20 centimeter. And in this case, a person wanted to read the object placed at 25 centimeter. Okay, it means the u equal to minus 25 centimeter. We have to use another lens, and by using this lens we wanted to read the object placed at 25 centimeter, and when image is obtained at 20 centimeter, image is obtained at 20 centimeter, and this is the comfortable zone for the short-sightedness. It means short-sightedness is known as myopia. Okay, so till 20 centimeter the myopic person or short-sighted person can read book easily. When the image obtained at 20 centimeter, then our eye lens or myopic eye lens can read this object comfortably. It means this is object for extra lens, and this is image for extra lens, and this image will work as an object for eye lens. Okay, so I am going to solve this numerical. Let this is I, and according to question, a short-sighted person can read a book when book placed at distance of 20 centimeter. It means this distance is 20 centimeter. An object and the person, short-sighted person, wanted to read book when placed at 25 centimeter. This is the near point for a normal vision. Okay, so it means there is a need of lens. There is a need of lens. As you know, in short-sighted person there is a need of convex lens to remove this defect. So the object placed at 25, u equal to 25 centimeter minus will come because we have to measure distance against the direction of light. So u equal to minus 25 centimeter, and v equal to 20 centimeter, because by using this lens, for this lens, this is object and the image at 20, because the eye lens for short-sighted person, this 20 centimeter is up to this point. This short-sighted person can read book properly. It means when image obtained at this point by using this extra lens, concave lens, and this image will work as an object for this eye lens. Okay, so it means we can read book easily. So I hope you understand. So u is equal to minus 25 and v is equal to 20 centimeter. So the lens formula, by using lens formula, one upon f equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. So 1 upon f equal to, this is v equal to minus 20 centimeter and u equal to minus 25. So by solving, one upon f equal to minus 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 25. So 1 upon f equal to 1 upon 25 minus 1 upon 20. So 1 upon f equal to 100 LCM. So when 100 divided by 24, 4, and when 100 divided by 20, it is 5. Okay, so this is minus 1 upon 100. So 1 upon f equal to minus 1 upon 100. So f equal to minus 100 centimeter. So this is the focal length of eye lens, which is used to correct this defect. So now we can find the power. As you know, P equal to 100 upon F. So P equal to 100 upon minus 100. So P equal to minus 1T. It means the power of corrective lens is minus 1 diopter. A concave lens of power minus 1 diopter used to correct this defect. So I hope you understand this numerical, and I will explain the another numerical of this chapter. Okay, so you have to try the other numerical based on this concept. So this is another numerical. The far point of a myopic eye is 50 centimeter. Calculate the power of the lens to correct his vision. So far point. So by this far point, you have to understand this is myopic defect, because in myopic defect there is far point is given and in hypermetropic defect there is near point is given. Okay, so in this question the far point is given. This is 50 centimeter. So I am going to solve this numerical. You can understand by a diagram. Let this is the myopic eye and the far point is 50 centimeter. It means this myopic eye can see till this point 50 centimeter. As you know, this distance is 25 centimeter. This is the near point for normal eye, but this is a myopic eye. So due to the defect, man can see till 50 centimeter, not to infinity. As you know, a normal eye can see 25 to infinity. The least distance is 25 and the far distance is infinity. But this is a myopic eye, and due to this defect, this eye can see only 250 centimeter. It means to correct this defect, there is a need of lens. We have to find what is the nature and what is the focal length and power of lens. Okay, so we have to see the object beyond this point. इसके पीछे का ऑब्जेक्ट हमें देखना है. ओके, तो वी कैन टेक ऑब्जेक्ट एट एनी पॉइंट. इस पॉइंट पर, इस पॉइंट पर, इस पॉइंट पर, किसी भी पॉइंट पर हम ऑब्जेक्ट को ले सकते हैं. एंड वी वांट टू करेक्ट, सो करेक्ट फॉर फार डिस्टेंस. इट मीन लेट u इक्वल टू इंफिनिटी. करेक्शन इज गोइंग ऑन. अब करेक्शन करना ही है, तो इसके जस्ट पीछे y just beyond this point we have to correct to far point. Okay, so u equal to infinity and v equal to minus 50 centimeter, because when object placed at infinity the image is obtained at 50 centimeter, and this 50 centimeter is the far point is this myopic eye, and our eye can see this point easily. Okay, so this extra lens, for this extra lens, this is object and this is image. But for eye lens, this behave as object. Okay, so I hope you understand. For this eye lens, this is object, and for this extra lens, this is image. So I hope you understand. So now we have to find the focal length. So 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. So 1 upon f equal to v, what is the value of v? 1 upon minus 50, and u is infinity. So 1 upon f equal to minus 1 upon 50, and 1 upon infinity is equal to 0, because as you know 1 upon infinity is equal to 0. 1 upon 0 is equal to infinity, so 1 upon infinity is equal to 0. So I hope you understand. So f equal to minus 50 centimeter. It means the focal length of lens is minus 50 centimeter, and negative sign indicates that this is a concave. This is a concave lens. Okay, So I hope you understand how you find nature and the focal length. And P equal to 100 upon F. So 100 upon minus 50, this is equal to minus 2. So P equal to minus 2 diopter. This is the power of this corrective lens. It means we can correct the defect by using a concave lens of focal length minus 50 centimeters and power minus 2 diopter. So I hope you understand this numerical. So now the defect and the numerical based on defect have completed. Tomorrow I will discuss the new topic of this chapter. Thank you very much.